Just 5 minutes and lose your belly fat in bed. Belly fat is often the most troublesome area when you're looking to lose your full body fat, and today's target area is the belly fat, that hanging belly, that upper belly, lower belly, side belly. And these are super easy exercises which you can do in the comfort of your own home. You can do it in the morning, do it in the evening. Now, no more excuses, and all you can say is bye-bye belly fat. So get ready. Let me show you these super easy, simple, effective exercises which will help you achieve a flat belly and a slim waist laying in bed. So get ready. All you need is a cushion and a bed. So now for the first exercise, you have to put the cushion under your head. Be comfortable. And now get into this position where your legs are like this, and you have to lift up your leg and this. Try to bring your knee as close to your chest as possible. I mean, it can't get easier and more effective than this. We're going to do this for a minute. So let's continue and do it together. Well done! For the second exercise, you have to stretch your legs like this, bring it all the way up like this and clap. So let's do it together. Now for the next exercise, which is the third exercise, you have to lift the cushion out of your comfort zone, under your head, take it above your head like this and go sideways. This is so easy, but targeting your entire side belly area, which is often known as the most stubborn fat, your love handles. Let's do it together. Stretch it as far as you can. And I just hope you're doing it along with me. You don't want to miss out. Well done. Now for the next exercise, we've got the cushion right here. You're going to lay absolutely straight, and please tuck in your core at all times. If your core muscles are tight enough while doing these exercises, you're sure to see even better results. And the more reps you do, the more better results you will achieve. Now you have to take the cushion right above your head like this and bend your knees. Isn't it so simple? Let's do it together. Well done. So the next exercise, you again have to lay straight. The cushion should be like this. But now when you bring the cushion up like this, just lay still and only lift your legs up like this. Kick the cushion. Yes, you're going to feel the stretch all along your leg area, your hip area, and the most important, your lower belly area. That's the target area for this exercise. Let's do it together. I had super fun shooting this super easy and effective exercises just laying in bed. You can do it twice a day, morning and evening, to see even better results. And if you do about 50 reps of each exercise, you're sure to achieve great results. And please, if you want to join a paid weight loss program, which is completely customized, tailor-made according to your needs, your likes, your dislikes, your daily routine, then feel free to click on the link given below in the description and you can join my paid weight loss program, whereas you will be given the entire week's plan, and every week you will be given revised plans, revised meal menus, and all the recipes will be provided too, along with a team which is ready to do the hard work for you. A dietitian, health counselor, an Ayurvedic doctor. What more do you need? And I will be there too.